Hi, welcome back to our channel. Today we've come to a place we found on Google Earth, and it looks abandoned, so we haven't been anywhere near the house yet, so you're coming on the journey with us. So let's go and let's see what we find. Proper adventure.
I'll be right behind you, Bob. All the way. I thought it was a gate post. This is nice, isn't that? Just, I don't want to fall down a hole.
Now, there's the house. Can you see me?
Ta-da! Look at that.
Could be somebody living in it. We don't know.
Door's open. Oh, is it open? The door? The door don't look like it's got any glass in it.
Doesn't it?
Well, it don't look it from here.
It could be empty, because it's completely empty, nothing in it.
Is it?
Hi again. Hello, Claire. Right, we both would like to thank everybody that's subscribed. It's blown us away a little bit, hasn't it? The amount of people that have subscribed to our channel. So yeah, big thank you from both of us, and we really appreciate it. And if you are liking our videos and you want to see more, we'll make more anyway, but you know, please subscribe, like and comment. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Look at this place. Look how overgrown it is. There's no path in and there's no path out. We've been all the way around to get there.
I don't know if it leads to a dead end or not.
This don't lead to the old bit, does it?
No.
So I don't get this then.
It's like a project that was started and just left. Where's that ladder go? Claire. What's up there? Maybe you can get into the main house.
I'll tell you.
Oh God. Where are you? Oh, hello.
Look, see, like, there's an old piece of furniture there. Amongst all the building stuff.
What's all this netting for?
I don't know.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
And in there, there's an old pair of women's shoes.
Is there? What's in that one?
Just like insulation.
What's in that bag? Oh, what a strange place.
Oh my God, you can't film this.
What is it? Is it all porno stuff? Is it?
Yeah.
Oh. What not? What about that bag in the corner? What do you think? Laptop?
Yeah. Yeah.
Is it a laptop?
HP.
Okay, now let's have a look at it.
It's an old one.
Yeah. It looks like one of them politicians' ones, doesn't it?
Scottish Power. Would that be like for something to do with the building?
Yeah. Well, they're special laptops, aren't they?
Oh, it's got books in it.
Here's Miss Fiona Hartley.
What?
What is it? What is it? Buzz Lightyear?
What? What is he? Is he like a bubble bath?
It could be. It's not a toy, is it?
I don't know. Bubble bath, I reckon that was. What?
An Action Man. Wow.
He's cool, isn't
He's
he?
not got the grippy hands.
Is he a real action man?
No, he
He's
don't
not one of
look
them-
like it. He don't look like
You
it.
don't look like it. Are you sure it's action man? What's this? Who's this? Oh, it's a bra on it, Rob. Hang on. I've got a bra stuck to him. Oh my God.
There you are.
Who's that?
I don't know. They do look like Action Man, but they're not. So I know that.
They're not though, you sure?
Yeah.
It's... What's that on the bottom? Sure, that's the action man thing.
Could be Action Man.
I think they are action
He
men.
looks like an Action Man, this guy does.
There's more, you know. He looks like... It is Action Man.
Yeah.
Oh, what's that on it? Look, he's got his... What is it?
His grappling hook. Yeah, that's more like it. He's got real hair. I mean, like...
And his gun, or whatever that is. Grappling hook, did you say?
Yeah.
Here it is.
Yeah, now if you pull the trigger, it shoots out.
There's his gun.
Watch.
Oh! What?
You missed that, didn't you?
Do it again.
Yeah, this is the... Hang on. Action Man grappling hook.
Oh!
Hang on, I know what I did wrong.
Go on then. What?
God.
Any more?
I had loads of them.
Oh, I just want to get them all out. Hang on. I don't know what that is.
Wow. Hey, there's some good stuff in here, isn't there?
Yeah. That's Action Man's sandbag.
Yeah.
I like it a lot.
Let me have a little tidy.
Another sandbag in case you need it. And this.
What is that? Danger. Some kind of rocket launcher.
That's for him, I reckon.
Yeah. It was worth coming in here just for that.
That was worth coming. Look how you set them up.
Yeah.
Oh, I had a quick look.
Have a little look. There's more furniture. Oh, God. All the pipe work.
See the old shoes? See what I mean?
Yeah. There's the binocular case, look.
Oh, yeah. They're women's shoes, ain't they?
Yeah.
Because there's an handbag here, which is really weird.
Oh, little purse.
A purse, look. Nothing in it.
There is a computer at the back there.
Oh, look. Bloody hell, you got
Oh,
makeup and a brush in there.
Yeah.
God. I can't even understand what that's doing there. Who's that?
Pikachu, I think. Who's that? What's that? Car. And I don't know what that is, yeah.
I don't know.
Some kind of game.
You don't know what's in any of these things, do you? No. I know, I'm flipping sweltering.
I know, look at the stuff, isn't it? Covered.
Next. Look! There's only a bloody piano under that.
Is there? Oh yeah. Blimey. You got it on film?
Yeah, but you can't really see it.
Oh dear.
Oh dear.
We're gonna look funny walking back up the road.
I'm going in the shower.
Yeah.
Watch, there's a wall here. Are we going to get...
Have to go through there.
Oh, it stinks.
Don't know if I want to go in there or not.
Go on in.
Shall I?
Go on.
Oh God, it smells.
You'll get used to the smell. I won't. Oh, that's really bad.
No, no.
Sorry. Oh God. Oh God. Let's have a look at it. The dates on these. Oh my God, it's really bad. Yeah, there's some semis. Semi-skimmed. Can you find a date on that? I'm going to throw up. Oh, yeah, there. Damn it.
Hang on. Let me put the old...
Oh, my God. Oh. You got a date on it?
Oh, God, where would it be? Yeah.
You got it?
18th of June, 2015.
2015.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's covered in this dust, this plastic.
Oh, my God.
Jeez.
Look at the state here.
Yeah.
It's rancid in here.
Oh.
Look at the flipping floor.
Hey, there's a fridge.
No! Oh. Go on then. Hang on.
Oh.
Oh. I don't even want to, but I'm going to. Oh, wait. And there's washing in the washer.
No.
Do it. Oh, I'm going to...
Cobwebs on it. Ready?
That's not been opened in a bit. Oh!
Oh, God.
Oh! Yeah. Wow, look at...
Oh, it smells.
Oh, does it?
Yeah. Oh, God, it's really bad.
Is it really bad? 'Cause
Yeah.
I've covered me.
Oh.
Let me just... I just want to look at a date.
Oh, no.
We hold that door.
Yeah, on top of that milk there's a date.
Where? What's the date?
2015.
Oh! Oh, God. I'm going to die. Open the freezer.
Hey.
Open it. Open the freezer. Ew. Oh!
Battered.
Oh!
Oh.
Oh, God, I'm going to throw up.
What's in this one?
Oh, no.
Peas. Spinach.
Oh, man. Yeah.
That's what stinks. Oh.
Oh. Oh.
Some yogurt.
Oh, God, shut it. Shit on a stick. Oh. Let's have a look. Oh, God. Oh, they've got one of them posh bins on the back of the cupboard.
What?
Posh bin on the back of the cupboard.
Yeah.
Oh. A bit of yeast. They are portable.
Yeah. It's not as cool as that other one that we found the other day.
Which one? Oh, that
The
tiny
with the
one.
radio and...
No, it's not as cool as that.
No.
What's in that cupboard, Rob?
I don't know. I really didn't think there was going to be anything in this
Oh, I
house.
didn't. Unsweetened soya, I drink that. Biscuits.
2015 again.
Oh, God, that's so bad.
So that's long life milk, so it might be...
Yeah. I'm going to have to take that off. I'm too hot. Oh. I can't. Got to go back on. Oh, my life. That's a nice little
Stuff.
dove. Lovely doubly.
Yeah. There's some nice
Oh,
little
yeah,
pots
look.
and stuff.
Look at these. I nearly missed them.
And look how clean they are.
Yeah, that's weird.
Mmm.
Well, they're not, look. They're not.
Oh, okay. That's quite nice.
Oh, look, I like that.
Yeah.
They're nice.
Yes. Wait, that's 24 karat gold around.
I bet all this is packed up.
Yeah, look at that.
I don't want to touch it, though.
No. Oh, we can't get any dirtier, Claire. Look at the state.
Oh,
We looked in the...
it's a nice little bowl. Yeah.
Some old tins.
Hello.
Living room. Piles of paperwork.
I mean, it's pretty modern looking, don't you think?
Yeah.
So they were probably doing this out as well.
There's a big case. So,
Yeah, you open every case.
oh, it's just tools, I think. What's underneath this?
That's a nice grand looking settee. Have you seen it? Yeah, it's got big feet. That must be the same bloke.
He's size 12.
Yeah. Cool, blimey.
Piping.
Oh yeah.
Don't tell the copper thieves.
Tatter's dream.
And why is this dust everywhere? Look, plaster dust.
Oh, well, they've been doing it, ain't they?
What is it? I don't know. Why is it in here? Brand new. What's this? New Whirlpool. It's got to be a washing machine, hasn't it? This printer.
Yeah. Look, modern looking lights.
Yeah. It's like some project was
But
started.
even though they've done it, look. See the wall?
Yeah. Oh. Dead flowers. One's still alive.
Is that all the downstairs for this bit?
Windows nailed up.
Huh?
Yeah, I think so. You going up?
Yeah. Blimey. Oh, bloody cobwebs. You've even got cobwebs in the toilet.
Quite a nice bathroom.
It would have been. Seen all the pictures, look. I mean, they're not particularly old. Maybe 20 years at the most.
Yeah, do you think another explorer's been in there and laid these
I
out?
doubt it, I don't know.
The door's open, wasn't it?
Yeah, but there's no tracks or anything.
Plaster everywhere.
Kids' room, this.
Yeah.
God, you've got all the toy. What's that? What's that with the steering wheel on it?
Oh yeah,
What it?
for a computer game, I think. Cool bed for kids, isn't it?
Yeah,
You're getting pictures as well. Right?
yeah. Mousetrap, bingo, Pokemon. These games ain't that old. Ingenious. Buckaroo, Monopoly.
Ow. Sorry for making all that noise. Oh, wait.
That's It's not that old. What's this one? Connect 4. Harry Potter. What's that one?
Can we go?
Yeah, let's go.
How did we do?
I think we did really well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mess.
Who's that? William Golding? Oh, Lord of the Flies. Smashing.
What is that? What's this thing? Is that a tumble dryer? Yeah. Massive pair of slippers.
Oh, that was wonderful. Wonderful. Raining, Rob.
Is it? Oh, it's a good view of the house.
Hmm?
It's a good view behind you.
What?
Oh, I just stuck my nose.
Okay. You pull my sleeve down. Get it? Okay. Oh, God!
Careful of that stinger. That's just stung me right in the nose.
Ooh, Honda.
Yeah. That's a darn find, isn't it?
Look at that. Hang on a bit, let me get in.
What's that on my head, Claire? Get it
You
off.
dragged that in with you? Look at that.
CM 250.
Have I got my torch on? I ain't. I thought it was dark.
Yeah.
Okay. Now you can see it. Look at that.
How old is that BMX bike?
I'm not sure what that is. Dino summit.
GT.
Do you want to get on it?
No.
Why not?
There's more sheds out the back.
You're already filthy, Rob.
What do you think this
Mind you, it is a bit of a... Yep.
Another washing machine, there's a TV.
Go on then.
I'm going in, folks.
What? What's that? Oh, it's got to be stuck in the ground.
Yeah, that's quite good. And it folds up. CCTV kit or paperwork.
What's over the other one? Can you see?
Oh yeah, tools I think. Around this one. Oh, there's another room in there.
Go on then.
feeding station.
Yeah.
Oh God. Well, we're not going to look conspicuous walking down the road looking like
What's in there? Ow!
Oh, well folks, that's it. We're just trying to find our way out of this place. They're the outbuildings, that's where the motorbike was. And yeah, we weren't sure what we were going to find in there, whether it'd be worth doing or not. But we've done it, and if we can make a video out of it, we will do. Oh, thank you, Claire. Look, who's on my case all the time? Hey? Okay. Right, folks, that was it. There's the house. There's my lovely wife again. And that's the outbuildings we've just been in and seen the motorbike. Right, we're not sure what you're going to make of this video, but we're going to make it anyway and put it up. And if you can like and subscribe and comment, that'll be great. And we'll see you in the next video, if we can get out of here.
They can tell us what they thought about what's in the fridge.
Oh yeah, yeah. Claire just said if you think you want to comment about what was in the fridge, feel free. And that's it. Any other comments, Claire?
No.
Right, let's get out of here. See you later.